Hello friends, welcome to Igniter Max. At this video, we are going to ignite the concept of angles and measurement of the 11th standard of the Exercise 1.1 chapter in the Max subject. It's nothing but angles and its measurement. Yes, so there are only one exercise in this chapter, so it's very easy to do it. This chapter is completely based on the basics term, that is nothing but what are angles, what are different types of angle. Okay, we need to know the right angle, acute angle. Okay, what are the difference between each and everything, and what is the conversion from degree to radian, radian to degree related to it, and clock later sum, the most important, what will be the degree of one hand to other hand. This is all the basics thing. Okay, one by one we will get it at the description also, so no more worry. We will start with the first question. We need to determine which of the following pair of angles are coterminal. Yes, so we took the first two question over here. If we are doing with the first two question, then the rest of the question will be so easy. First question is based on the coterminal angle. A coterminal angle says two directed angles are called coterminal angles if we can place one angle on the other in such a way that the initial arm coincide and the terminal arm also coincide. In the simplest way, we are going to take an examples for it. The angle of measure 40 degree and 400 degree. Yes, so 40 degree has an acute angle because it is lies between 0 to 90, so it will be absolutely acute angle. And the 400 degree, okay, 400 degree will complete one complete rotation because one complete rotation is 360, but the example is given as 400 degree. So after completing one complete rotation, then after adding plus 40, then only we will get the 400 degree. So in short, it says that it is an integral multiple of the 360 degree. The measure of the coterminal angle differ by an integral multiple of 360 degree. How to find whether the angle given is coterminal or not? Here the first question is based on that only, so we are going to do the examples for it. Angle that is nothing but 210 degree and minus 150 degree. We need to determine whether it is coterminal or not. At the question, the two different angles are given. So what we need to do it, we need to just subtract it. That is, first angle we need to subtract by the second angle. So first angle is 210 degree, yes, and subtract with the second angle, that is minus 150 degree we have written over here. So minus into minus will be plus. If we will add both the number, then we will get the 360 degree. But the coterminal angle says that, at the property says that if it is an integral multiple of the 360 degree, it is an integral multiple of 360 degree. 1 is an integral multiple of 360 degree. So it is called as a coterminal angle. The pair of the angles are coterminal angle. Now we are going to do one more examples. Question, they have given the two angles, that is nothing but 360 degree and minus 30 degree. So what is the property for it? Integral multiple of 360 degree, then it is called as a coterminal angle. But for that, what is the procedure? We need to subtract the first angle by the second angle. First angle is written over here, subtract with the second angle. If we will subtract it, we will get the 390 degree. Is it integral multiple of 360 degree? No. Then the pair of the angles are not coterminal. Even we can check for the other examples also. If it is integral multiple of 360 degree, like 1 into 360, like 2 into 360, if it comes in that way, then it's absolutely a coterminal angle. Sub question, in which the question is given as draw the angles of the following measures and determine their quadrant. Okay, so there are different types of angles are given, so total 10 different angles are given. We need to mention at which quadrant the angle lies. Okay, for example, the question is given as minus 140 degree. Okay, this minus 140 lies in the which quadrant? This what the question says. Determining the quadrant, we need the help of the Cartesian coordinate, that is nothing but x coordinate and y coordinate. If we will divide it, then we will get four different quadrants, that is nothing but first quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant, fourth quadrant. Now if the angle isn't positive, then it goes in the anti-clockwise direction. If the angle is negative, then it goes in clockwise direction. Now let's determine angle in each and every quadrant. Okay, now we will see it of anti-clockwise, that is nothing but positive angle. Yes. So at the first quadrant, the angle lies between 0 to 90. At the second quadrant, the angle lies between 90 to 180. At the third quadrant, the angle lies between 180 to 270. And at the fourth quadrant, the angle lies between 270 to 360. But the angle should be positive in anti-clockwise direction. If the angle moves in the clockwise direction, that is, the angles having the negative value. So over here at the fourth quadrant, the angle has from 0 to 90, and at the third quadrant 90 to 180, second quadrant 180 to 270, and first quadrant 270 to 360 degree. This is how the angle forms in clockwise, anti-clockwise, or positive and negative degree. Now as the question given is minus 140 degree, so the angle moves in clockwise direction. Yes, so it will move in this order, but the angle given is 140 degree. So 0 to 90 at the fourth quadrant over here, but 0 to 90 over here, and 90 to 180 it comes over here. The 140 lies between 90 to 180, so it will come in this order. Yes, construct a ray so that we can find this may be the origin O, and let's take the P point. Okay, so the angles is minus 140 degree, and the question is given us at which quadrant it lies. So we need to determine at which quadrant. We have completed with the minus 140 degree, but we need to specify the quadrant, that is first quadrant, second quadrant, third, fourth. Now the angle lies in third quadrant, so we need to specify that the angle lies in the third quadrant. We have completed with the first question. If 140 degree is given, example I'm giving, okay, from 0 to 90 40 doesn't lies, and from 90 to 180 the 140 lies if it's positive 140 degree, so the angle lies at the second quadrant. But the question is given in negative, so we need to move it in the clockwise direction. So first thing that we need to note it, what the angle lies at between, we need to mention from 0 to 90 or 90 to 180. In that way we need to mention it lies at the which quadrant. We need to see that is it's positive or negative. We need to do it by clockwise or anti-clockwise. We need to note it first, and next the angle given. For example, over here the 140 is given. We need to specify in between, and at the left hand side and at right hand side what the angle comes. Related to it we need to note it. Question is given as 750 degree, but the question is in positive, so it will move it in the anti-clockwise direction. Yes. Now at which quadrant it lies? Okay, we will mention the quadrant first, second, third, fourth. We have mentioned it. Yes, so it will move it in the anti-clockwise direction. Even the quadrant is also mentioned. Now the 750, it's more than 360, that is after completing one complete rotation it is more than that, it is more than 360 degree. So again we will need to rotate it, that is after 360 we need to rotate 90, so it will come as a 450, then again 90, 540, then again 90, 630. It doesn't comes it off, we need to check in that way. And from 630 to 720, okay, here the question is given as 750, so it will not come. Then if we will add 90, then 810. So after completing two rotation, that is after completing two rotation, first rotation over here complete and second rotation, okay, and the angle lies over here. Construct the ray OP so that we will get the answer very easily. The origin O and P. In short, after completing one complete rotation, two complete rotation, then we got in the first quadrant. Yes, so the angle lies in the first quadrant. This is what the question asks. At the second main question, the question is given as the convert the following angles into radians. There are a list of the angles are given and we need to convert in the radian form. So over here we took the fourth sum in which the question is given in both degree and minute. We need to convert both the thing in radian form. How to solve these sums? Okay, one is in the degree form and the other one is in the minute form. So what we will do, we will convert the minute into degree part Okay, we will convert the minute in degree, and the whole degree part we will convert into radian. How? By using the formula that is nothing but 1 degree is equal to pi by 180 radian. So let's start with one by one. So 30 minute is equal to how much degree? It is equal to 1 by 60 degree. So 30 minute is equal to 30 by 60 degree. Yes, 30 by 60 degree is noted over here. Okay, we have converted in degree form. For that purpose we have used the formula. Later to the formula derivation we have already posted a video. Please go through it so that how the derivation came, and later to the sums also we have mentioned over here, so we will get the clear concept of it. Now it is in the degree form, the simplest form. 0 0 cancel and 3 1s are 3 2s are, so 1 by 2 degree is nothing but 0.5 degree. Yes, so it is in both in the degree form, so we can add 65 plus 1 by 2. If we will add it, then we will get as 131 divided by 2, 131 divided by 2. It is in the degree form, but the question they have asked in radian, so we need to convert the degree into radian. How? We have the formula for it. Yes, so we need to apply over here. Okay, we have applied it, and afterwards we will get the answer as 131 pi by 360 c. Examples. At the question they have given in degree, minute, second, and we need to convert in radian. Yes, so what we will do, we will convert the second into minute and minute into degree, and then degree into radian. This is how the complete procedure starts off. Sixth sum. This procedure is absolutely same like the fourth sum as we have done it, that is 40 degree 48 minutes. Yes, so one is in degree and other one is in the minute, so we will convert the minute into degree and we will convert the degree into radian. This is how we need to start it. So 48 minute, okay, we need to convert into degree. How? Because 1 minute is equal to 1 by 60 degree, then we can easily convert into degree, that is 48 by 60. If we will reduce in the simplest form, we will get the answer as 4 by 5. Yes, so both are in the degree, we can add it, and we will get the answer as 205 divided by 5 degree, and it is in degree, but we need to get the answer in radian. So pi by 180, the formula is over here, radian, and we will get the answer. Later to the formula derivation also we have watched in the previous video, at the description link also they have given us in triangle ABC the measure of angle they have given in the radian form, and measure of B is given in the degree form, and we need to find the measure of angle C, but in radian and degree form. Yes, so we have the formula for conversion from degree to radian, radian to degree, as we have listed over here. So one is in radian and other one is in degree, so we need to convert at least one of the angle in degree or radian. The plan to do the sum, first we will do the measure of angle in radian, we will convert in the degree, and measure of angle B is already in the degree, and sum of the measure of the angle of the triangle is 180 degree. So we have already two angle measure and the sum of the angle also there, so we can find the other one very easily. So with that we can do it. So let's start with it. Now this is the conversion is given. Okay, now measure of A angle is in the radian form, so we need to convert in degree by using the formula. 1 radian is equal to 180 by pi degree. That's what we have written over here. If we will do the calculation, we will get the answer as 35 degree. So measure of angle is equal to 35 degree, and measure of angle B is equal to 120 degree, as we have already mentioned in the question. So we have two angle measure. Now the other, by sum of the measure of angle of triangle, we can find it very easily. Yes, so measure of angle C is 25 degree. Now each and everything we have put in the degree form. Now the thing is, we need to convert in the radian, because the question is given in degree and radian. So measure of angle C 25 degree. Okay, we need to convert in the radian. So 1 degree is equal to pi by 180 radian. So that's what we have mentioned over here. And if we will do the calculation, then we will get it as 5 pi by 36 radian. The sixth question is also similar as in 5, because at the sixth question they have given the two angle in the radian form, and we need to find the third angle of the angle of the triangle in degree and radian. The same procedure as the fifth question we have applied, the same thing we need to apply over here. But at the fifth question, one was in the radian and other was in degree, but over here the two angles are given in the radian form. We can convert in the degree form and we can find it. Otherwise, we is by radian also we can do it, and afterwards we can convert also. So there are two ways to do it. It's up to us. Seventh question, and which the question is given as in a right angle triangle. Yes, the acute angle are in the ratio that is nothing but 4:5, and we need to find the angle of triangle in degree and radian. In both the things we need to find it. Yes, so let's start with it now. At the question only they have mentioned it's a right angle triangle, so one of the angle will be absolutely 90 and the other two will be acute angle. If we will sum both the angle, then we will get the answer 90, but they have given in the small tip that are in the ratio 4:5. So let ABC be a right angle triangle and measure of A is equal to 90 degree, but they have not mentioned the question that measure of A should be 90. It's up to us. Even we can take the measure of B also 90, measure of C also 90. It's up to us. So at the simplest form, we took the measure of angle A is equal to 90. Angle is completely 90 degree because it's a right angle triangle, and the other two angle they have given in the ratio form that is nothing but 4:5. So we will take the angle B and C of the triangle ABC. Okay, so measure of angle B ratio to measure of angle C is equal to 4:5. So if it is ratio form, then we need to insert one multiple, that is the K multiple over here. That is let measure of angle B is equal to 4K and measure of angle C is equal to 5K. Now the sum of the angle of the triangle is 180 degree. Yes, so we know one of the angle is completely 90 degree and rest two angles are in the K form. So first we need to find the K value. What is the K value? So by using the formula and by using the calculation, we are getting the answer as K is equal to 10 degree. We got the answer K is equal to 10, but the measure of angle B is equal to 4K. So we need to put the 10 degree over here. Okay, and even the measure of angle C also at the in place of K we need to put the term as 10 degree. So afterwards we will get the answer as 40 degree, 50 degree. The other two are acute angle. Even we got the answer in acute angle only. Okay, so we have came across the three triangle measure of the triangle, but the question itself says that we need to find even in the radian form. So we have three triangle given, 40 degree, 50 degree, 90 degree. So we need to convert in the radian form by using the formula. Yes, 1 degree is equal to pi by 180 radian, and if we will put the radian formula over here, we will get the each and every answer in the radian form. So this is what the question asks. The angle of the triangle are in degree and even the radian. The eighth question, the question is given as the sum of two angle is 5 pi radian and the difference is 60 degree, and we need to find the measure in degrees. Here the two type of statement they have given, that is the sum of two angle is 5 pi and the difference is 60 degree. So let's take one angle BX and other angle BY. Okay, the first statement says that sum of two angle is 5 pi, so x plus y is equal to 5 pi radian, and the differences, that is x minus y, is equal to 60 degree. But we need to find the value of x and y. That's what they have given in the question. Find the measure in degrees. We need to find the measure even in degrees only. So first process is we need to convert the radian into degree. This 5 pi radian we need to convert into degree. So let's start with the solution. That 1 radian is equal to 180 by pi degree. Yes, so what will be the 5 pi radian? Just we need to multiply by 180 by pi and we will get the answer as 900. The pi will cancel and 5 into 180 is nothing but the 900 degree. Yes, so we have converted into degree form. Now let's start with the solution. Okay, let the degree measure of the angle be x and y. Even we can take the other value like a and b. It's up to us. So we took as x and y. So the first statement says that the sum of two angles is 5 pi. So x plus y is equal to 5 pi. We have converted to degree. So x plus y is equal to 900 degree. This is the first statement from the question. And the second statement is their difference is 60 degree. So the angle is x and y. So x minus y is equal to 60 degree by the second statement. So Now we need to find the value of x and y. So the procedure is we can find it by the simultaneous equation. If we are doing adding or subtracting from equation 1 and 2, we will get the value of x and y. So we are taking the adding 1 and 2, adding equation 1 and 2. Even we can subtract also, no problem, then also we will get the answer. Okay, whatever be the easy procedure, we can go up to that. So x plus x 2x, and this y plus y minus y will be cancelled, and 900 plus 60 degree is nothing but the 960 degree, and x is equal to 408 degree. We got the x value in degree. Even we need to find the value of y also. This is what the question says. So let's find the value of y. We can put the x value in any of the equation, either equation 1 or either equation 2. We will get the value of y. Okay, so at the equation 2 we have put it. In equation 2 if we put it, then we will get the answer as 420 degree. Even at equation 1 also we will get the answer same. Yes, so the answer is, hence the degree measure of the two angle are 480 degree and 420 degree. 11th question. The question is given as, in the cyclic quadrilateral, two adjacent angles are 40 degree and pi by 3 in radian, and we need to find the angle of the quadrilateral in degrees. So one of the angle is given in degree and other angle is given in radian. So we need to convert that angle into degree, because the answer asks that we need to find the in degree, find the angle of quadrilateral, each and every angle in degree form. Question they given as, the adjacent angles are 40 degree and pi by 3 radian. So we'll take the adjacent angle as A and B as 40 degree and pi by 3 radian, and other two angle that we need to find it. Help of the quadrilateral property, we can find the other two angle. Took the measure of AB 40 degree from the question, and measure of angle is pi by 3 radian. So we have converted to degree, so we will get the answer as 60 degree. And measure of angle C and D, we don't know the value, so we will put the value as x naught and y naught, that is x degree and y degree. That's what we need to find it. So we have the property of the cyclic quadrilateral, because the question is given a cyclic quadrilateral. We have the property that sum of each pair of opposite angle of the cyclic quadrilateral is 180 degree. That is, for measure of angle A plus measure of angle C is equal to 180 degree, and measure of angle B plus measure of angle D is equal to 180 degree. By the property, opposite angle of cyclic quadrilateral is 180 degree. So let's take the first equation from over here, and measure of angle A plus measure of angle C is equal to 180 degree, and we know the value of measure of angle A, that is 40 degree, and measure of angle C we don't know, so we took the x degree. That's what we have written over here. So with that help we can find the x degree, that is nothing but 140 degree. And at the second equation, measure of angle B plus measure of angle D is equal to 180 degree, and we have the B value, that is nothing but the 60 degree, and measure of angle D we can find it very easily, that is nothing but the 120 degree. So the angles are 40 degree, 60 degree, 140 degree, 120 degree. Even we can interchange also, right over here, that 140 degree, 60 degree, 40 degree, 120. It's up to us, because they have not mentioned as the perfect angle, that ABC they have not mentioned, that we have assumed a cyclic quadrilateral with the name. Thank you for watching this video. If this Igniter Max is so helpful, then don't forget to subscribe it.